Hi, I'm Vishal, roll number 19158 from ECUB, and today I'm going to simulate my analog mini project using Proteus app. My project is automatic streetlight using op-amp. Now let's see the connections. Pin number 1 of LDR is connected to positive power supply. Pin number 2 of LDR is connected to 1 kilo ohm resistor, which is then connected to ground. Pin number 1 and 3 of potentiometer are connected to positive power supply and ground. Pin number 2 of potentiometer is connected to pin number 3 of op-amp. Pin number 2 of op-amp is then connected to pin number 2 of LDR. The positive power supply is given through pin number 7 to op-amp, and pin number 4 is connected to ground. Pin number 6 of op-amp is taken as output, which is connected to 220 ohm resistor, which is then connected to a red LED. So now let's see the working of op-amp. Let's consider pin number 3 and pin number 2 as VP and VN, pin number 7 as minus VCC, pin number 7 as VCC, and pin number 4 as minus VCC, pin number 6 as V output. So as per the working of op-amp, if VP is equal to VN, then the output will be 0, and if VP is greater than VN, the output will be VCC, which is the positive power supply in this case. And if VP is less than VN, the output will be minus VCC, which is ground, that is equal to 0 in this case. So in this case, VP is constant, and we need to make sure that VN is less than VP so that our LED will glow. So to decrease the value of Vn, we decrease the intensity of light, which is considered as night time, and the LED must glow. So now let's decrease the intensity of light. So as we decrease the intensity of light, the value of Vn will be less than Vp, so that our LED will glow. This is how automatic street light works, and in this case we use op-amp as a switch. Thank you.